Hello friends, Excel Savvies, and once again with you with another amazing Excel video where we are going to test the conditional formatting skills of us, and we are going to share some skills with you guys from basic towards the mediocre level. Suppose I want to apply some conditional formatting to some of our range. That conditional formatting is applying the border toward a range. I will select some range starting from cell A2 to cell E30. I am going to apply the conditional formatting. You can find this conditional formatting button under the Home tab under the Style stroke. The shortcut key to it is Alt-O-D. We are going to edit the rule and let's start doing it. Equals this cell. Press F4 three times. Not equal to empty. Formatting I'm going to apply is I want to apply this kind of border to it, and I press outline, press OK, press OK, and whatever the range is, it is from A2 to E30. Apply, OK. Let's just test it out. I would say Washington DC. You see? Let me zoom it out a little for you guys. The formatting is applied. Product amount 500. Again, the border is applied. 500. Let's try another row. Say Philadelphia. Okay. Condition formatting is working very fine. Okay. Let's take a look at another example with multiple conditional formattings. Press OK. OK. Now I have a data range. I want to apply some conditional formatting to this data and by highlighting alternate rows differently. First way is you can press Ctrl T and make a table. But there is another way of doing it. I'll press Ctrl Z. First I'll highlight this like this. Header would be like this color. The font color should be white. Ctrl B. And the conditional formatting I'm going to apply is firstly these cells are non-empty. Secondly, highlighting of alternate rows. Select the data, Alt O T, the shortcut key, a new rule. I am going to use the formula, press equals, and this cell is not empty. Let's just test it out and format it by applying some fill to it. This color maybe. Okay. Okay. And change it to from the 20 to 30 maybe. Apply. Okay. Done. Again, Alt O D, click on it, edit rule, add the second condition. And I am going to use mod wrapped around with row, two rows equals 0 and close bracket, apply, apply, done. See, all the even rows are highlighted. Let's again test it out for the odd rows. Manage rules, click it out, copy this formula, OK, and go on to new rule, use formula, paste the formula, and this time around I'm going to change 0 to 1, and from format I am going to choose another color. OK, maybe a different, more lighter color to make it look different. OK, OK, and then apply. Now it's not working because the range is not set yet. Again, I change it to 30. Let's make it 30, and I'll tell you why I changed it to 30. Apply. OK, kaboom, it's working. You see, whenever I write it, no change at all. I'm going to change, like, say, Saint Patrick. It's changed. OK, and up till this range, suppose I want to type something here like Excel Savvy. See, it's changed. Even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, and 30 should be even, right? So if I type Excel Savvy here, see the different formatting is applied. That's how you can do it. So these were the 2 or 3 basic examples of conditional formatting on the basis of the formulas. Thank you so much.